for 7 years. This man was the person his entire family called whenever they needed money, rent, car repairs, utility bills, emergencies. He helped every single time. Then one day he lied and told them he lost his job. I'm 29 years old, and since I was about 22, I've been the responsible one in my family. I was the first one with a real job, the first one with savings, and apparently the first one everyone thought they could borrow money from. My sister needed help with rent. My brother's car broke down. My mom needed help with the utilities, and I helped again and again and again. Over the years, I gave my family around $23,000. Do you know how much of that I got back? About 400, and that was only because my mom forced my sister to pay me back, but I didn't see myself as some victim. They're family. I thought I was helping family. Then 8 months ago, my own car broke down, and for the first time, I had to dip into my emergency savings. I mentioned it to my mom. She looked at me and basically said, "Well, at least you have savings." 2 days later, she asked me for $600 for my brother, and something in me just snapped. Not loudly, not dramatically. Quietly, I told her my company had layoffs and that I lost my job. The truth, I still had my job. A good one. And since I worked from home, nobody knew. But after I told them, something strange happened. My phone stopped ringing. No more random calls. No more, "Hey, how are you doing?" Followed by the way, can I borrow some money? At first, it was peaceful, then it hurt. Because I started realizing something. When they thought I had nothing to give them, they didn't really need to talk to me anymore. My mom checks on me maybe once a month, usually to ask how the job search is going. And the crazy part, not one person offered to help me, not once. Everybody suddenly had a tight budget. But here's where I actually feel guilty. My niece had a birthday a few months ago. But honestly, I've never had this much peace, and I don't plan on telling them the truth. Eventually, I'll just tell them I found another job, maybe one that doesn't pay as much. That way the requests stay small, and maybe I'll finally find out who actually wants me around and who just misses the money.